Alright guys, so we're working on my mother-in-law's Escort again. This is a 97 Escort. It's got a 2.0 engine, which is very similar to the 1.9. So this is pretty much identical to any Escort. So I'm going to get started here, and what we're going to want to do first for the valve cover gasket is we're going to want to remove these wires. So we're just going to set them off to the side. And can we get this guy off easy? Yep, and we're just going to set him down off to the side just so you guys have a better view of what's going on. So we're basically just going to need a 10mm and a pliers. So the pliers is used right here for this breather, which we actually have to fix up here anyway, but I'm going to take this off and just move that guy back. There we go, and I'm going to set this guy up here because we do have to fix that. I don't know what Wayne's going to do, just glue it or what.
What's that?
This piece for that goes into the intake. And
I thought it was in.
No, remember it's broke. Alright guys, so...
That's it. It clicks in like that, Carl.
It doesn't click in at all, it just sits in there.
Yeah. It gets tight, see? Watch. See?
You're in the middle of my video here, you know. I'm trying to work here.
Alright. This don't happen often.
Alright, so you're going to get these 3 bolts out. This is very simple, guys. This is very easy to do. Alright, so those are out. We got one more left. And there we are. Give her a little yank. Oh my God, Sludge City. Holy. The oil was never changed in this thing. Guys, you want to know what not changing your oil does? This. Holy. That is disgusting. Alright, so I'm going to clean the valve cover up, and then we're going to just throw it right back on. Alright guys, so I got the valve cover cleaned up. I'll show you that in a second. Pretty much just get it clean however you can. We have a wash tank that has kerosene and stuff in it, a parts washer. You know, you can use brake clean, whatever you got to. So now we're going to go through, and I'm going to scrape all this nasty stuff off here, and so I can get this surface cleaned up. Alright, now I just want to take a rag and wipe some of this off here. And you can scrape it with whatever you have, it don't matter. You know, a scraper, putty knife. I don't know where our good scraper is. That was the crappy scraper, but... Alright guys, we got a little whizzer wheel here. Now you don't have to do this. You can use a Scotch-Brite pad or something, but this is just much quicker. And you just want to go over the surface and get it shiny. Alright guys, there were some spots that were hard to reach with the whizzer wheel, so I'm just going to get it with a little bit of Scotch-Brite, and we'll get it all shined up. Don't worry about the excess oil that's getting dragged out from the valve cover. We will wipe that off in the final step. Just make sure you get all the old gasket material and hard stuck-on stuff off, which it looks like we're at. Those are the grommets for where the bolts go through.
The valve cover gasket. I got one more. All you do. He already ripped off the old ones, obviously, so take it easy. There we go. Another one.
And then I also cleaned up the valve cover, as you guys can see there. I didn't get too picky with it because, well, you see the inside of the head, so there was no real reason to get it spotless.
I'm just replacing the gasket. And what's nice is this gasket here has these tabs. I kind of like them.
Yeah, it's got tabs on it so you can set it on top.
Just set it on, Yeah, actually, it doesn't like. It's not like it clicks and just like just keeps it.
Just so it doesn't move.
Yeah, just
because there's no perimeter bolts there.
Straight,
It would be like almost impossible. Yeah, but you know what? That has ridges in it. The original one had a.
Yeah, but that's how it's supposed to go because it doesn't go on the valve cover.
Yeah, but when I pulled that out, it had one that was in the valve cover.
Yeah, which is they must have changed it.
So that doesn't matter?
No, it doesn't because these here I already tried just for shits and giggles putting them on the valve cover side. They don't do anything. They get in the way.
Alright guys, so there's that, and he did wipe down everything with some brake clean, just to make sure everything's all cleaned up. But basically just throw your 3 bolts back in and hook up your one line right here, and put your oil cap on, and you're good to go. Oh no. What it called for.
Gosh. I just ripped this thing apart. Alright, that's on.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the valve cover is done. Just these 3 bolts. We got this line hooked up. And now we're just messing around with the PCV valve, but that doesn't have anything to do with the valve cover. So, valve cover gasket done. Super easy, super cheap, and it'll save you a lot of hassle. So, I mean, if it leaks, how many quarts of oil are you going through for a $10 gasket? Oil ain't cheap. Even at Walmart, it's like $4 a quart or something like that. $3-4 a quart. So you can see how easy that was, how simple it was. And if you don't take care of that, you can also, that oil will get on your exhaust manifold, could light on fire, a whole bunch of other stuff. Regardless, just change your valve cover gasket. I hope this helped you guys. Leave a comment down below. Like it. That really helps the channel out, guys. Also, check out the links in the description for the decals, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.